We turn now to the story that is captivating the country tonight. The Supreme Court potentially preparing to overturn Roe v. Wade. Today, Chief Justice John Roberts confirmed the authenticity of a leaked document indicating the conservative majority is prepared to strike down the decades-old law. Chief Justice Roberts calling the leak a betrayal, and now he has called for an investigation. Well, today, abortion rights advocates gathered in cities across the country in New York, Boston, Chicago, Orlando, and Knoxville. Demonstrators showed disapproval of this possible ruling. 12 News reporter Cameron Seibert is here tonight with reaction from Texas lawmakers and political experts. Cam?
Well, Jordan, we already know that Texas implemented Senate Bill 8 restricting access to abortions in the state. Now, they could be banned altogether, not only here in Texas, but in close to 25 other states across the country.
A Supreme Court document leak is extremely rare.
I don't know that it's happened before. I mean, presumably something like this has happened at some point in the court's history, but if it did at all, it's a long, long time ago.
Tom Tassinger says overturning a previously granted right is also rare.
That is also unprecedented in American history.
The Supreme Court ruling is not finalized yet, but if Roe v. Wade is overturned, each state will have to decide what to do. It's a near 50-50 split. 13 states, including Texas, have passed trigger laws, which would instantly implement an abortion ban if the high court rules to overturn Roe v. Wade.
As goes Texas, so goes the United States, and that's just about on every issue.
State Representative James White is happy with the news. Senate Bill 8, already in effect, would only be strengthened. And White says the state is ready to hit the ground running.
Tough but inspiring work ahead of us, where not just in bills and campaign literature, we're going to really go to work in protecting, in cultivating, in uplifting life in this state.
Abortion rights groups are worried about pregnant women traveling for abortions. Anna Rodriguez is with the Lilith Fund, which helps women in Texas who are seeking abortions.
Folks are having to travel hundreds of miles in many cases out of their own communities. They're having to stay pregnant for longer as they're trying to figure out where they can even get an appointment.
Tassinger is already thinking about how this could impact midterm elections.
Ironically, it could help Democrats in the fall. It's hard to project out that far, but yeah, there's going to be a lot of uproar over this, indeed.
And the Supreme Court will not be releasing an official ruling until June or July this year. However, Tassinger, who you just heard from, believes it's a given that the vote will go through. In studio, Cameron Seibert, 12 News.